Blood orange morning, we hardly slept. Polished chrome, tinted glass, the way you looked then. We slept with our heads together, we had the same dream. Cityscape and the chipped door piece. Hit the roof of the car, driving through the yellow light. Golden glow reflecting your smile in the night. I'll let your red shotgun as the sun is fading. Oh, we'll get out of here, baby. Out on the lakeside, where we stopped to rest, 1,000 miles from home, but we never felt this close. We'll start a new life in a new kind of light, where the water's never murky and the sky is clear. We slept with our heads together, we had the same dream. New town in the window of a train. Going 85 under a street light. Empty freeway in the middle of the night. I'll let you DJ lean the seat back, you know you get car sick like that. It gets cold when we run. Pray for an early sun. Timeless and patience in the light. We dance together all night. We slept with our heads together. We had the same dream. A new town in the window of a tree. Going 85 under the street lights. Empty freeway in the middle of the night. I'll let you DJ lean the seat back, even though you get car sick like that.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Tiny Life Tuesday. It's been a few weeks. I'm probably gonna have forgotten how to stream again. This is very loud, hang on. I think that's a bit better. Let me know though, as always. Today, I just want to do like a very casual Tiny Life stream. I don't want to do anything like super, like, I don't know, high pressure, I guess. My audio keeps breaking. I don't know what's going on. My audio keeps breaking. It's like only on one ear, and it's very annoying. I assume it's only like me, but if the audio is only on one ear for you too, which would be really weird, please still let me know. Hi Snail, hi Yellow. Hang on. Okay, I think I fixed it. So today we just want to do something casual. Just chill, you know. I submitted my bachelor's thesis last night finally, and I just want to relax today. There's already an ad break coming. I'm snoozing it once, and then the snooze is over. You don't have headphones in? That's fine. I think I fixed it on my end anyway. I don't think it should have ever happened on your end. So I hope everyone's doing well. I just want to ease back into Tiny Life development today because it's been like 2 weeks since I did anything. Actually, let me open the Git history so I can check how long it's really been. So a week ago, on the 15th of August, is the last time I did anything, and I did one thing, which is fixed the Bears rotation. And then on August 13, I did some pixel art. And then on August 13, that's still August 13, and then on August 12, I also did some pixel art. And then it's like more weeks until something is in this history again. So yeah, it's been a while. I'm excited to get back into it though, now that I have more time again, now that I'm less stressed. And I don't really know what I want to do today. I was thinking about maybe just doing continuing on the out and about set, but I am too lazy today, I think. Because it's sort of just busy work. It's what we've been doing in the last few streams. And it's sort of just like busy work, and I'm not really in the mood for that today. There's still a lot of content to add to it, but I do really want to get it finished by like mid-September and then have it out. We'll see how well that'll work. But yeah, everyone's doing great. Let's maybe switch over to content. That seems to work. Very good. So I do have some, like, I always have this, like, generic just list of things that I might want to do. It's quite a lot. And, I don't know if I want to do any of these today. I do kind of really want to just, like, add some more pixel art stuff. I actually did recently add a bunch more paintings. And some, like, kitchen prints to hang on the wall. That I think I'm going to show off now, just so that we're on the same page about what's in the game, I guess. And then, we'll see. So what I added, oh, they're right here. Look. What I added is these 4, like, little prints that I think are just nice for, like, you know, a kitchen or whatever. I think they're pretty cheap. Yeah, they're like $4.85. And then I also added a bunch of paintings that I don't think I showed off yet. I'm not going to show them all, at least in detail. They also have names now, which I want to use for a different feature. Which one is my favorite that I added? I don't actually know. Hang on, let me see. It's a swimming duck, that's cute. The cactus. This forest I think is quite cute. One of the lower level ones. Then a bunch of paintings I just like personally. Like this is a Franz Marc one that my parents have in their apartment, or in their house. Yeah. Thanks so much. I'm glad you like the prints. I'm very glad. But then I also have this idea that I've been wanting to do, which is part of the reason I've been adding more paintings, which is that the museum lot type has a museum curator NPC, like a lot employee. Let's make a museum quickly, just to show. See, Stalo Kowak is I think the save has like 1 million. Yeah, that's too many. I think I was testing something. Stalo Kowak is and let's just make this work I know this is not, like, obviously not the way to do it, but, you know, it's fine, it'll work. Beautiful museum. And so, the museum curator, like, you can talk to them and be inspired about paintings or whatever, but I had this idea, are they all not, like, going to work? Go to work, man. I had this idea that it might be cute if you could purchase paintings from, allow buying from a random collection of handmade paintings, the ones you can paint from the museum curator at the museum. Because I like the idea of the, like, NPCs at the public lots being more useful. Because in The Sims, they don't serve a purpose. And in Tiny Life, they already do serve a purpose to an extent. Like, you can talk to the museum curator, if you want. I don't know when it's open. I think that's maybe them. Yeah. Like, you can talk to them about art, and that'll get you feeling, like, inspired or whatever. And then, like, the personal trainer, or what are they called? Just trainer. They, like, walk up to you and make you feel like, energetic, but it's mostly just emotion stuff, and I do really like the idea of being able to purchase stuff that you can't otherwise purchase unless you make it yourself at the museum curator. And I was like, it just makes sense, because they would, like, have paintings, right? Gotta go. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'll probably be streaming around, like, 2 hours, like I usually do. But yeah, feel free to stop by again, of course. So I do kind of like that idea, but I don't know if I want to add something today that's, like, potentially, like, difficult. I mean, it wouldn't be that difficult, I don't think. Because it's just, like, what's buying food like? Or order food? Because I think it's just... like... How do I do the pricing? Because I don't remember. Price markup. It's just can execute and the display name contains it? Okay. I guess that makes sense. Modified price. Okay. Yeah. This is a weird bug. Like, since I updated Writer, for some reason it's been telling me that for a read-only dictionary, it says it's, like, values is possibly null, but it's not. Like, it's clearly not possibly null. And this is the... Like, this isn't the virtual method or anything, so I don't know why it's saying this. Obviously, I could just do this. But... why would it... Like, this is clearly not going to return... Whatever, it's fine. Writer is just, you know, being the usual, I guess. There's a bunch of stuff that I really want to do, like, get to at some point. I stole this from The Sims because I saw it. I thought it was cute. This is just like a small thing that randomly came to mind. I do kind of want to do this for the out and about set, but I don't know if I'll get to that. I also don't know how easy this will be to add. Like, maybe this will require sort of a rework of the character creator, because I don't know. I think right now it's very much bound to the active household. But obviously that, you know, that'd be possible to change. Didn't I do this already? Wait, I swear I did that already. Did I not? Ceiling, hanging. Maybe I, like, tried it and it didn't look good? Huh. I don't know. I guess I didn't do that. Okay. What did I just open? No, stop opening my email. Am I doing that? Do I keep misclicking? What is going on? I'm like so stressed today, even though this is meant to be a chill day. I do have the idea of adding a reward perk system to life goals. Really want to do that at some point. This is just a performance optimization. I guess like a reverse. This is not a performance optimization. This is a change that'll make the amount of startup work less. But yeah, honestly, I kind of want to do the handmade paintings thing. I think that'd be fun. So let's maybe try that. So how is the order from... I think I just looked at this, right? Order from staff action. Because I'm not going to use this action because this is one of the ones where, like, they'll walk up to the staff and, like, the staff is expected to be behind a counter. But for the museum curator one, I think I just want them to... like, you just talk to them normally, essentially. Yeah, let's do it. Why not? Why not? Let's do it. Let's add by painting action. Social action. Okay, there's now an unavoidable ad break coming in a minute. Of course, you can subscribe, but I don't think I stream regularly enough yet to warrant that. If time up, Wait, isn't there like a wait. Behavior? No, isn't there like a simpler version of a social action? Because obviously there's talk action, which I know. But does anything inherit talk action? It does. Ask to taste. Would I be able to just do this? They just pick it up first, and then that's it? No, I don't want sheep viewers. Stop it. Yeah, I don't know. I think I'm just gonna do it like this. It's fine. Let's do, like, I don't know, 10 minutes. Talk to them for 10 minutes. Why is this green? That's new. I don't know. Oops. Oops. Jesus Christ. Okay. So, let's think about this. The way I want it to work is that you start the action. Well, you click the action, obviously. And then it, like, opens up one of the action arguments menus where you can select from the painting. Similarly to how adopt child action works. Where, it's just a set of arguments that... Hang on. There you go. Yeah, it's just a set of arguments with the portrait layout, which is lovely. So I do want to do this. Let's do that. Let's do that. Hang on. Action type. I guess it's social misc. What is in social misc? Oh, like order cafe food. Okay, that's good. Ask for art advice. Let's copy this one. Oh, but then no. That requires too much change. Let's copy one that is already using the normal action system. Jesus Christ. Okay, I'm done. That's fine. Whatever. By painting. New type settings. By paintings. Priority. Wait. Oh, context. Social. Or, person? People? What's it called? It's people. I do have misc social actions, right? Yeah, up here. Okay. That's fine. Okay. Type of by painting action. And then notably, required partner type or employment is museum curator. Arguments. Wait, I get possible arguments. This is what you'll select from in the menu. Action info and bool returns an IEnumerable. I can do that. Public static IEnumerable of action argument. Get arguments. Action info bool automatic. What is? No, I don't want to apply change signature refactoring. Why would I want that? Go away. I hate like inline. For some reason, I have like this aversion to inline hints. I know a lot of people also use the like the parameter name hints or whatever they're called. But I don't know. I don't like it. It's just like a thing that I have. In Tyranal. So let's think about this. Because it should be a random selection of paintings, but they should be different every day. Right? And I don't really want to store them anywhere. Like the selection of paintings, that seems insane. So I think I'm just gonna make it based on like a random seed. Painting type. I guess just furniture is fine. Get today's paintings. I don't know. That's fine. Map. Oh, I guess it could be based on the lot. That'd be cute, right? So that if you have multiple museums, you can go around and check what the other people have. I like that name. Well, do I have Discord open on this screen? That's a bummer. I want it on this one. Let's think about this. I think I'm just gonna use single random, which is like a utility thing I have. I don't think if I'm going to create a new random for this. How many times am I... that's fine. Whatever. I'm going to do a new random. That's fine. Actually, hang on. Seeds. New seed source. Isn't that like a thing? Yeah. Add lot ID. And create a random from it. There you go. Beautiful. And then amount is like a number between 5 and 10. Is that too many? I feel like maybe like 3 and 5. 3 and 8. 4 and 8. Sure. Let's go with that. And then I don't think I have any like specific plans for this. It's just I think I want them. So the way I'm like all over the place. The way that painting types work is I think they have a minimum level, and I think when you paint, they like the painting that it chooses. See, the painting that it chooses is based on the minimum level. Yeah. So I think I might do something different. Something similar to that. Where it's painting times. No, that's fine. So it's all the painting types possible, but then also, damn it, this is annoying. The like, why would it say this? I don't understand. Like, it can't be null. Because it is, like, it's set as a read-only dictionary, and the only possible way, whatever. Damn it. Let's do hash set, because I want to remove the ones that we already used. But then maybe not as dramatic. Like, maybe it should still sell expensive paintings often enough. Right. Okay, so then we remove them. Which is silly. No, this is silly. Wait. Because we... list of painting type. Because we still want... type. Oh my god, type. And then we can, in here, we can just do painting type.types.accept chosen to array. The values. Damn it. Yeah, I think it needs to be in a, like a list, right? Yeah, okay. That's fine. So this is us just choosing, and we're not using the correct random, so it won't be seeded. This is the random we want. I think that's it. So this is the set of paintings we have. And now I'm getting a Telegram DM, which I'm gonna read. It's my boss. I'm judging him. Very openly. Sorry, I'm like distracted now in this conversation that I've been dragged into. Okay, it's fine, it's fine. What am I doing? Okay, so we chose a set of paintings. I don't know why I put this, oh my god. I don't know why I put this, like, so far away. That's it, I think that's it. So then we do return chosen.select, type, new, wait, how do you make a painting with the, is there like a thing? Is it non-viable? Yeah. Painting. It's just a furniture with the painting. Okay, that's fine. Hang on. My boss seems to message you every Tiny Life Tuesday. I'm gonna send that to him. Hang on, I need to send that to him. Cause that's funny. Is it gonna open? Hang on, I think Telegram's gonna open on this view, so I have to do that briefly. Okay. So this is like such a distraction right now. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. Okay. Okay. So we make painting type dot no, not painting type. Furniture type painting. Well, hang on. So this is the varret. Construct furniture or custom painting actually, or painting. What's it called? Painting? Oh my god. Oh, it needs the colors. I think that's fine. It's custom painting, colors. Jesus Christ, settings, colors, random. Oh my god, they're random too? That's fine, that makes sense. Okay. Sorry. I'm like so distracted now. It's fine. Don't worry. The map is lot.map. The position is -1 because that's what I use just arbitrarily for stuff that isn't on the map. I know that should be like a constant. It's fine. It should be like a constant, but it's fine. 0. Sure. Let's go. Oh, the ID. Does it matter if that's different? Let's do random next. Oh god, how do you GUID? Oh, you can't make a GUI based on a random, right? That would be silly. Yeah. I guess we can't store them by ID. Does that matter? Hang on, let me do painting type int frame colors, because then it doesn't have to like be constructed yet. I think that's better. So this is the frame colors. Fame. Oh my god, I just like copied something. I'm so stupid today, I don't know what's going on. I keep typing fame! Okay, return T frame. Is that it? Yeah. So I don't know, this was just entirely unnecessary, but it's fine. Now it's wrong. Oh, 'cause T. Now it's still wrong. What's going on? Oh, because it's inversed. Man. Can I flip this comma? Does it allow me to just flip? Yeah. Oh, hello. Great, it just doesn't do anything. Let's do it like this. T and that. So now it should be a selection of paintings between 4 and 8 that is determined by the lot ID, but not the day. Oh no. Add lot.map.day. Shit. Time. Days. Yeah. So now it changes every day. In theory. This is terrible code. Don't look at this code. Also, I do kind of want to separate this into 2 lines, which is just such a like a minor thing, but it's fine. Var avail. Okay. So now we can go into here and be like, return, get today's paintings, info.part, wait, okay, var employee, get involved object of person like, not object category dot self. How do I still not have a thing for that? It should be like action info get partner, but it's fine. If employee, lot employment, person employment dot lot. What's the difference? A lot of this employment is active on. A lot of the person is working on. Huh? Oh, is this like the one that they're currently? That's terrible documentation. I know I wrote it, but like still. Return empty list set array. Sorry. Get today's paintings. Dot select new action argument. Oh wait. P new action argument. P is the no, that's fine. P is that. So we need, sorry, that was by the way like just like a train. Chosen painting. Chosen painting. It cannot, that doesn't work because it's a value type. Okay, so display name is type wait, how do you get the display name of the painting? I should probably add that as a thing. Yeah. This dot painting type dot display name. There we go. Do I do that anywhere else? Not really. I also don't like this. This isn't a thingy. Display name. What else is there to do? Added constructor arguments. Yeah, I need to do that. Okay, let's do that. Added constructor arguments is just literally the type, because this is what's going to be passed into the action up here, which is why I just added this. Can execute. Should they have like a markup? Should they have a random markup? I think they should, right? Let's maybe do a record structure. Painting option. It's painting type, int array frame colors, float price markup. Because that's a lot easier than doing this every time. Wait, they're not nullable though, right? Yeah. What's this now? Inconsistent. Shut up. Public. New painting option. And then I do also kind of want random.next single 1 and 2. Or I guess 0.75 and 2. Because that's fun. And it's just to be sure I'm not using the other random anywhere. So then can execute is I and A, and the question is a price, action type, something about price. Can price. Display name with price. What? Wait, can I use that here? That'd be way easier. Wait. Price. I swear there's like float. Oh, it's always a function, so that's not really usable here. Yeah, that's fine. I should add that to here. That's a good point. Where the heck? No, use template string of the whole thing. Hang on. Var price is p dot type dot price. What's the base price? Wait. I don't understand. Base.getPrice. Oh. Wait, so is the price, like, weird? Public get price. I guess public float price is painting type. Oh, shit. This is like such a... do you feel the mess yet? Get price. What the fuck? Price plus... No, not plus. Wait. This is a disaster. Well, I need a... No, it's fine. I don't need this. Because it's fine. It's fine. Don't worry about it. Because I need a preview image anyway. So, let's do preview. Which is what we just tried to do. Custom painting.construct. Custom painting. P.colors. Info. Employee.lot. Employment lot. I need to, like... var employee lot is... Wait, I can use, yeah. Wait, why did it just introduce a variable for only that one? Refactor this, introduce variable. Oh, but there's multiple. Are you dumb? Is it because these aren't, like, null coalesced? Is that the difference? That's silly. I'm getting a message again. If it's my boss this time, I'm gonna cry. Okay, so I keep getting distracted. It's fine. I'm doing good work here. I'm doing something. I'm barely doing anything. I feel like I haven't achieved anything yet, but it's fine. Why doesn't this work? Oh, because it's map. Why doesn't this work? Oh, because it's previewed up. Get price. Wait, does it have like a... Shit. Preview dot... Is it price? Custom price? Hang on. Preview.getPrice times p.markup. Do I have to put this in parentheses? I don't think I would, right? No. Wait, what was that? Can write the Unikit escape sequences. What the fuck? No. Okay, preview. Done. Display name with price. No, what? I.person.money is greater than or equal to preview.getPrice times p.price markup. Yes, then valid, otherwise not enough money. Next, I kind of want to introduce a variable for this. Because, I don't know, I'm like in the mood to do variables today. I'm like in the mood to do vaguely decent coding practices today. And then layout is action argument storage furniture? enumerable. Why? I'm so confused. Oh, is this... No. That's bad. Action argument image layout. Why wouldn't that be a thing? Image layout. Huh? Wait, so what do I... What do I use for the food? Is it also image layout? I guess it is. That's fine then. I'm gonna use image layout. I don't know. 50? Sure. E time batch alpha context. Sure. I don't think I'm gonna need the context. That's fine. Preview draw UI. Time batch I don't know. 1. Preview.colors. Is that how to do it? Yeah. And then also a padding. What's the padding for? It doesn't want to tell me. Padding the group can have the image display one should have. Oh. Why do I need that? It's fine. We'll figure it out later. I think it's because the text is going to be in the way of the painting otherwise, but we'll see. And then obviously you can't buy it yet, which, you know, is a problem. Data member. Data. No, data member is correct, right? Yeah. Wait, how do I data contract? Data member? How do you put it on the property? Oh, that's a nightmare. Especially because it auto-formats it like that. Why would it do that? Do I like have wonky settings? What if I go to map? Because they do that a bunch there. Is it not called map? Map. What the fuck? What if I refactor here? Do I have like odd settings? I do. No, I don't. Okay. I guess it just really wants me to do that. Which I kind of hate. I don't think I even need this. I think if I don't put data contract, it's just going to do all of them as savable, right? Map info. No, these have data member. Whatever. I'm going to try. It's fine. Okay, let's test it out. You won't be able to buy anything yet, but I want to see if the paintings like work. You have to get the same ones each time. Wait, did I register it? I did, right? Or social misc? I did. I mean, they don't talk, which I feel is a bit silly, so I have to do that still, but that's fine. Where are you? What's your name? Buy painting. Ooh. Look, they don't, oh. Because I didn't set them as, being completed. Right? Is that the reason? Oh, I didn't set a type! Man. Painting equals p dot type. There we go. That's a bit better. Does it work with hot reloading? No. Damn it. Wait, is it the same one every time, though? Clocks, Pinewood, Stars at Night, 86, 43, whatever. Yeah, it is. So that does work. That's good. So it should be based on the museum and based on the day, which it seems to work. So that's good. Also, I feel like it should be way bigger. I wonder if I do debug mode, if then it's gonna work with hot reloading better. Because I think sometimes it does. I'm already gonna take this off because, you know, I'm doing it. I'm doing it, people. Oh, he's still here. Man, show debug actions. Let's go here so that it's easier to find the stupid person. No, don't go away. Oh. It's fine. Buy painting. Beautiful. That's way too big. But I like the idea. Let's maybe make it 60, because I think that's what the stored furniture also is. What just happened? What? Covering group. What? What in the fuck? Oh, damn it. I guess it works worse in debug mode. What's the padding in the stored thingy? Wait. What is it here? Because it's 60 and then 20. Let's see if this works. Damn it, it didn't save because it crashed. Oh, the padding is below though, right? Yeah. Wait, so why would I need that? Wait, I'm so confused by the padding thing. Padding. Button. Wait, that's bottom. Wait, because I set it to the bottom, didn't I? Yeah. Oh, top. No. Wait. Does this have to be more? Like 40? No, but this isn't hot reload, right? Damn it. Well, yeah, I like the idea, though. I do want to see if it saves correctly. Which is easy, I think. By just checking in the JSON file. Which is debatable whether that's easy, but it's fine. Let's auto refactor it to be not minified. By painting. Chosen painting. Type sunset. Frame color is 11. Price markup this random number. It does work. That's good. Okay, let's do a thing where, shit. Override, get, why is it a social action? Get, first, what's it called? Create first actions. Because I think here, but then I'd want them to both talk. How do I do that? I'm like thinking how to best implement this as a multi-action. Take out of crib. Kiss. Oh, kiss is just the main person talks. That's fine, I guess. Let's just do it easier here, though. Or is it update conversation? Yeah. Talk. What's it called? Speak in conversation. Partner. Wait, do I have to specify that? Yeah, I do. Time, speed, emote choices. Emote category dot object, and also travel. I don't know. I think that's fine. It speak styles. Affirmative, questioning, neutral, excited, angry. No, not angry. Just positive ones, because this can't fail. I'm not making this to be able to fail. Partner emote choices, the same. Total amount, minimum seconds, maximum seconds. Emote bubble type, partner type. No, that's fine. Partner type. Why is it just called partner type? Partner type? Type? Sure. Oops. Let's go with that. So now they're gonna talk for a few minutes, specifically between 5 and 10. And then, do I want to do like an animation where they get out the painting or whatever? I think that'd be cute, but I also think that'd be annoying to make happen. Nah. I'm just gonna make it be the painting in the inventory. What am I saying? On completed. Wait, what's the difference between these? On both completed. No, this is called when both actions have been completed. Before either partner. And this? Huh? Oh, whoever just completes it first calls it. No, that's good. That's fine. Okay. If this dot is main and type is completed, then we get the painting again, which is the chosen painting. Which now feels a bit pointless to have this in the whatever, it's fine. And I have to like construct it again, which is like this. This dot map or person map. This dot chosen painting. Just to make sure. Painting dot type equals p dot or shit. This dot chosen painting dot type. And then it also needs to subtract the money, obviously. So this dot person dot money minus painting dot get price. Yeah, okay, because I set the type, because the price is dependent on the type, and we want to keep that, obviously. Times this dot chosen painting dot markup. And then this dot person dot household dot add storage, add to furniture storage, painting. And then I think every time I do that, usually I like give it a thing, right? If it is currently on the map, okay. Like investigate. No. I don't want to look at this. That's secret. Yeah, so I do. Okay, so let's do that same thing here, where we give it a notification. Is there a painting? Because I know there is a painting icon, but it's just, I might just not be registered to the notifications. Which is an easy fix. Because the painting icon is somewhere. Specifically, here. Oh god. Whatever, let's just... emotion, because I just want to get the coordinates. Painting. This is it. And then here we do painting, which I have to create. Oh, it's called, has an icon at the end. Public static read only icon, painting icon. Painting. There we go. I assume this isn't used yet? Yeah, it isn't. Okay. Bot painting. Oh wait, does it say the name? Oh, it does say the name. Yeah, we did that. Person first name, painting dot type, display name. That's it. Okay. Let's do en.json. Do, what's this marked as? UI. This person just purchased a painting at museum. I do kind of want that to be part of it. Because I think that'd be cute. So this is the employee. Well, it's just the partner, right? Hang on. Okay. This dot partner dot whatever. I'm not gonna do that for now. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Don't worry about it. Just purchased a painting at a museum. The piece, the purchased piece can be found in there. Just purchased the painting. Do I ever do that? Do I ever use... Yeah. Woke toggle. Oh no. Okay, so I do that. Painting name. In there, household storage. Storage. I guess, wait, why did I add a notification icon? That's so silly. It should be the painting, right? But does it, do notifications work? Does that work if it's on the map? If it's not on the map? Whatever, I guess it can just be there. It can just be the person. Oh! Damn it. I just realized something, because if you buy that painting, it should disappear from the collection. Which means I can't just make it be based on randomness. I do have to store it somewhere to remember which paintings were bought. Which just seems silly now. I guess I can store it on the lot. Do lots have... they do have generic data holder. Loop. Oh right, they're not even close. Buy pay. Oops. Wait, when did that happen? Oh, I changed the padding. Right. So 40 is too much, 20 was too little, so I guess let's do 30 next time. Why did it crash? Man. Hot reload keeps crashing. I feel like I really haven't accomplished that much yet, but you know, this is what happens. I'm just slowly getting back into the groove of Tiny Life development. It's taking me a while. I think that's fine. Let's show debug actions. No. Teleport here. Damn it. How nice it'd be to sell paintings. That is a plan, but not yet. Let's buy waves. It's 233 something. Okay, I paid 233, and it should not be worth. Okay, it should be worth the original price. That's awesome. I got the painting. Look at that. I love that. That's cute. It'd be cute if, like, it said where I purchased it, but that's not happening for now. I'm quite happy with that. I think that's cute. Wait, what was the notification? Just purchase the painting waves. Period. Purchase piece of game in their household storage. That's cute. I love that. But then obviously now it's still available, which doesn't really make any sense. So, not registered correctly. Oops. Hang on. Actions. Buy painting. Buy painting. Buy painting passive. Sell painting. They also should turn to each other. Look at. Look at. How does that work? I swear there's like a look at, right? Am I crazy? Look at. Talk action. Look. Face object. Damn it. There you go. Okay. How do I store which of today's paintings were already sold? I'm like trying to think of a good way. Because right now, obviously, it's just based on the random seed. But that doesn't work. And then if I store it on the lot, I need like a way to clear all the paintings that were already sold in previous days, because those wouldn't matter anymore. Maybe I'll just make it so that you can only buy one painting a day. Would that be silly? Oh wait, I just had the best idea. Memories. Memories. That's what they're for. Wait, are museum curators non-demo only? Because some are. Yeah, so I need to move this to non-demo, which is right here. There you go. Yeah, I just need to make the painting person remember which paintings they already sold. Sold painting. New memory type. Sold painting. I guess I should make this more specific. This dot partner. Add memory. Memory. No? Why not? Oh, because I need to import it? Damn it. Sold painting. But then how the hell do I store it on that memory? How do I store stuff on other memories? I'm like trying to think of what the best way is to store this on the person. Whatever, let's just make a class. Public class sold memory, sold painting memory. I think this is by far the easiest way than like having it stored on the map. Because if I store them on the map, they're like unnecessarily stored even if people don't use this system, which is how it works with the childhood option. So data member public painting option painting. Yeah. So then in here I can just be like select except or where not but I need the employee person curator var lot. This whole thing again, damn it. Curator employee. And then I can inline this because now I'm only using it once. I'm using it twice, but that's fine. Why would it see so many? I mean, the preview doesn't really. It can just be on the info.person.map, right? It doesn't matter. Yeah. Okay. So that's the lot. And then in here I can be like not curator.memories get I'm looking how to do this best. Oh man, this memories is just silly. This feels silly. Does this feel silly? How else would I store it though? I think this is the easiest way. Yeah, sure. Let's continue storing it like this. Var memory is this this dot partner action dot info 8 memory dot painting equals this dot chosen painting. And then in here I have to make it type of sold painting memory. No. Oh, this is wrong. This feels a bit silly to do it like this. But I don't know if I care enough. Yeah, whatever. Var sold equals this dot the curator dot memories sold painting memory sell sold painting dot select or dot where m dot time occurred dot days equals lot dot map dot time dot days, i.e. today, and then select dot painting. I guess like this. There you go. Where, or I can do accept now. Sold. Beautiful. That's a really messy way of doing it, but it should work. Honestly, I can also just make it be based on the employee, right? Yeah. Because then if you hire a new museum curator, like on the same day, you can restart. Which I think is cute. Okay, let's see. So, Joe, talk to this person. This is the pay. Damn it, it's still like a bit too low. 20. Wait, was 20 bad then? I swear 20. Oh, it crashes when you do that. Damn it. I need to update .NET because this is silly. It's just silly. So, oh yeah, that does work nicely. Okay. So, Dolphin Rider, Stars at Night, Wanderer, and Waves. Those are always the same, even if I quit, right? Dolphin Rider, something, something, Waves. And Starry Night is one of them, right? What in the fuck? Why did it switch to there? That was weird. Is that something that happens? Dolphin Rider, Stars at Night. Yeah, okay. So let's buy one. Specifically, Dolphin Rider. What's happening? Hello? What's going on? Huh. It seems something is severely wrong. What just happened? That's literally never happened. Let's try again. That was so weird. Wait, surely buying paintings didn't break anything, right? That was bizarre. Wait, is that gonna happen again? Wait, I'm like so confused. Did like not unload the map fully or something? I'm very confused. Did I just implement like a huge memory leak somehow? No, whatever, it's fine. Let's buy Dolphin Rider. There we go. It didn't work. Why not? Because they should have sold the painting. It's stored as the painting. And in here, it's accepting by the painting. Which should work, because the record struct has, like, equality compares, right? Oh, but it's going to compare the array. I think this is fine if I just do painting type. Or painting. Because it doesn't need to know all the details. And then I can't do except here. I have to do... Also, this should be an array. Where T, or O, not sold.any, or not sold.contains O.type. And then this can be a hash set to speed it up. And then in here, it could just be type. Because they only sell one painting type a day anyway. What am I saying? One... Because of this. They only sell one of each painting type a day. So I don't need to check for the other properties. This should be fine. My development process is the worst. Okay, let's buy Dolphin Rider again. I should have it now. I do have it now. And if I talk to you, you don't have it anymore. That's cool. But then I feel like I also should make it so that if they don't have any argument, new can't execute result, no paintings anymore today. Because then it'll say like this person is unavailable. What am I saying? Cannot. It's in actions, okay. All of today's paintings were already sold. Come back tomorrow. And also I saved, so if we load in again now, it should still be selling the Starry Night and all the other ones, but not the dolphins. I hopes. Because that would be ideal. You, what are you selling? Nice. I'm gonna buy all of your paintings. Haha! Okay, cool. I also just remembered something, which is that for the employee, I should still check if... Wait, let's revert this just so that it's easier to read. And then I'm gonna be like, if this dot partner dot get memories. Hang on, let's just, because I want to be sure that private static IEnumerable of painting type get today's sold paintings, that if you queue up the same selection multiple times, that it won't just sell the same painting over and over, because they're not removed immediately when you select it, obviously. Get today's sold paintings for the curator. If get today's sold paintings for this dot partner dot contains any contains this dot chosen painting type dot type return. Person. This dot partner is not person curator, because a person like, which is just like the base class for people, they can't be lot employees. So like if I ever add like cats or whatever, they're gonna be person like, but they're not gonna be person. That's the reason for that cast, which I'm just doing up here now. So now in theory, if I queue up the Wanderer multiple times, it should just not work the second time. Like, they should still talk, but then it shouldn't do anything. Yeah, okay. That's awesome. That's great. I'm quite happy with that. And then if the day rolls over, like day Friday, right, because now they have two paintings available, or just one available, but if I do day Friday, they just have 4 new paintings, and if I buy one of those now, it should, like, yeah. So I should be able to buy another Wanderer now, which, by the way, also has a different frame, which I won't have anymore now. But then if I do day Saturday now, they should have another set of paintings. Ooh, many this time, but no Wanderer, which is fine. Yeah, I'm quite happy with that. I think that's cute. What do you think, everyone? I'm glad. I actually think that's super cute. Let's actually go into hints, because I keep forgetting to populate these. Is there anything about museums already in this? What's this? Oh, that's the description. Okay, yeah. So let's do gameplay 52. Gameplay 52. Museum curators will sell paintings from anonymous artists every day. So make sure to check their selection. And then also now, I kind of wanted to make it so that they can also sell 0. And then maybe the 5 is like a good maximum, because 8 is a bit much. Where the heck do I add the memory? Oh, here, because this all needs to be 5 now too. Yeah, I'm quite happy with that. I think that's cute. Oh, also, wait, I need to do this. I need to add a painting option, right? Because of the way that Tiny Life is going to work on consoles, I need to add every type that isn't like automatically implied to exist into this list. Which I could also do like source generation and stuff, but since I'm already using the JSON saving system that I do now, this is a lot easier, even though this is quite ugly. It's also just like very specific extra data though, so like I would have to add by painting action, but because I reference by painting action, Here, I don't. It like automatically gets added. Somewhere down here, somewhere, right? Is it down here? It is down here. Yeah. But because that one isn't like implied to exist, it didn't work. Wait, why not? Did I just? What the fuck did I just add? No. Painting option. Silly. See, now it works. So I think this was just like a fun little thing that I really enjoyed. Also, I'm just like, sorry, I'm just like distracted again. This will be false though, right? Yeah. Wait, do I use reflective bind to type? I do. I don't want to. Yeah, I love that though. That's cute. Yeah, I'm very happy with that. I think that's fun. Also, now they can sell 0 paintings, which I think is nice, because sometimes they just wouldn't have any paintings available. Added the ability to buy paintings from museum curators. Okay, I do think for now this is where I'm going to end the stream though. I had a lot of fun working on Tiny Life again. This is just like a quick foray back into it. I think the feature we added is really nice. I think it's going to be fun to use for players who want some paintings but don't want to do the painting skill. And especially now that there's so many more paintings. And I will hopefully be back with the full 2 hours next week, where maybe we'll finally be able to finish up the Out and About set. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your night. Goodbye!